How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day. Today is iPhone release day. So I have something very exciting to show you guys. I was going to put this out later in the week. I was actually not supposed to get my phone until October, so getting it today is super exciting. So I have something really awesome to show you. Before we get into it, just want to ask that you guys smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on that bell icon so you get weekly notifications whenever I post a video. And comment down below if you feel necessary, or if you feel like you want to tell me how awesome I am, or have anything to say. So, in that case, let's get right into it. Right, you guys, time to get into it. So here we have the iPhone 11 Pro. It's the 5.8 model. The 6.5 inch one was the max, was too big for me, so I just went with this one. Just came in the mail like an hour ago. So let's open it up. So far it's typical Apple packaging. Little dent right there. Little damage to the outside. Wow. So here we have. Over there. Here we have the iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green. Really, in person, like, I thought it would look more green. Whatever, in certain lights it looks like a more of a grayish green. I like it though. It's really elegant, really nice. And the texture is like it's like a textured glass. Really prevents like a lot of fingerprints. Have the stainless steel military grade steel used on the iPhones. We have the triple camera lens. So we have the regular wide lens, we have an ultra wide lens, and then we have a telephoto lens to get those up close shots with the portrait mode. So what's new about this? It's a lot thicker. I've never had like the XS or the X before. This is me going straight into from a 7. I've had a 7 for the past 3 years, so this is a pretty big jump for me, pretty big upgrade. But it's really thick. My brother has the XS, and I don't think it's even this thick. Apparently it has 4 hours extra battery than the XS, so that's probably why. But I like the color. So we're gonna put the phone to the side, and we're gonna dig in, see what else we got in here. So, designed in California by Apple in California. Just got like the regular packaging with like the instructions of how to set it up and everything. SIM tray, or SIM tray opener, if you need that. Apple stickers. If you guys want these, I don't really use them. Comment down below and I might give these away. I know a lot of you guys like those. I kind of wish they came in like a green to match the phone, but beggars can't be choosers. So, got the regular wired headphones. These are probably good to have as a backup. What's really cool is this bad boy. This is an 18-watt charger, as opposed to like the 5-watt charger that we usually get in the box with iPhones. This is the first year that the pros, or just any iPhone, is actually getting one of these in the box. These usually come with like the iPads, and you've always been able to buy them, but they never came in the box, but this is like a really, really nice thing to have. So props to you, Apple. A little bit of a disappointment here is the fact that, so this is the wire that comes in the box for the iPhone. We have USB-C for the adapter, but then we still have the lightning cable for the iPhone. So this won't work on any USB-A ports or other adapters that you have. If you're looking to use this like in your car or something, like you're probably gonna have to get an adapter, or I don't even know how that's gonna work, but you can always just use your old wires if you have one. But yeah, I just kind of wish they went with USB-C with iPhone, but it is what it is. So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. So, I went with the 256 gig option. They had 64 and 256, and it was low-key kind of frustrating, but kind of wish they went with the 128 because that's what I had on my iPhone 7, but yeah, I just needed more storage. 64 wasn't gonna cut it for me, so. But here we have it. I'm gonna power this up. I'm gonna get this going. So I mean, from here, the setup process is pretty standard. One thing I do want to talk about is the screen. The screen is updated this year. It's the Apple's OLED XDR screen. It's just higher pixel density with 12,000 nits instead of the 800 nits that was last year. You only really get the 12,000 nits when you're watching Dolby Vision movies and videos, but definitely a good upgrade, especially coming from a 7. As you can see, we still have the notch this year, which is, bittersweet. There's a lot of tech up there in the notch, but Apple could have at least shrunken it this year. But yeah, I hear it's not too bad, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to set this bad boy up, and I will get back to you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so I'm back. I just finished setting up my new iPhone. It's currently just backing up from iCloud. So I'm just waiting for that to update, and we should be in. I'm gonna put out like a review of the phone probably within a week or so. Probably put out a review of the camera system and let you guys know how it goes. From what everyone is saying is that Apple has shattered the bar when it comes to camera photography and AI computation. So I'm going to put it to the test, and we'll see how it does. According to other people that have tested it out, it does better than Google Pixel 3. So I'm excited to try it out. I'm excited to have an upgrade and just have something new. But if you guys have any questions or want to get back to me, I always support my fans and I keep in touch with my fans. So if you guys want to leave a comment down below, you'll probably be hearing from me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace.